Hi everyone, this is Sultan with Rex Theme, and in this video I'll show you how you can display a scene gallery for your virtual tour. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm on the edit mode of a virtual tour and I'm on the general settings. So here, go to the advanced controls, and on the second column you'll see the option to enable scene gallery. So when you enable that, your tour will include a scene gallery of all the scenes just below it. And if you turn on scene titles on gallery, this will enable the titles. I'll show this later. First, let me show you how this one works. Now, you cannot view the scene gallery in the back end, so you have to see it in the front end, for which you have to publish or update this tour and embed it on a page to see how it works. So let me just show that to you. Let me update this tour. Now that the tour is updated, I'll go to the new page and I'll embed the tour using a WPVR block. And my tour is called demo and the ID is 517, so I'll just choose the one which is in the first, that's demo and 517. So now let me preview. Now on the tour, when the tour is loaded, you'll see there's this small blinking arrow at the bottom. If you click on this, the scene gallery comes up. If you double click on any scene, it will directly take you to that scene. Alright. Now, let me show you what happens when you turn on the scene titles on gallery. Basically what it does is it places the titles of the scenes on top of the gallery images. What title I'm talking about? When you added scenes to your tour on the scenes tab, you have the option to add a title. For example, for the first scene I have given a title of living room. So this will come on top of the images in the scene gallery. Let me just show it to you. Let me update this tour. And once the tour is loaded, I'll go to the page to embed the tour and preview. Now when I start the tour and click on the arrow below, you can see the scene galleries are here and the titles are on top. So that's it. That's how you add a scene gallery to your virtual tour. Now I think you'll be easily able to add scenes and then use a scene gallery for your virtual tour. Alright? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Take care.